So Canada's Digital Nomad Visa is basically your sense of freedom based on you having a digital capacity to work for a remote employer. Simply gather your digital gadgets and come over to Canada as long as you can prove your remote work experience for income generation, and you can also submit an employment letter. You can see the beautiful views here. Snowy day. That's my car right over here. We're gonna give it a start. It is a visitor visa application. It's just your intention that you're looking to enter Canada as a digital nomad. So it all boils down to you showing proof of your income from your remote employer and your actual employment, and that could be an employment letter. With these two documents, you can craft a submission letter in which you can explain yourself, and you can also jot down your residential ties, financial ties, and of course family ties with the country of your origin. At the same time, you need to show strong proof of funds. Of course, you still have a remote employment. That itself helps the immigration officer to assess the fact that you can support yourself. But apart from that, you would still need proof of funds. For that, you can attach a bank statement. If you have any questions or concerns, you are looking to move over to Canada, or you're looking to enter Canada on a temporary basis or on a permanent basis, or if you are looking to study in Canada, or probably you're looking to immigrate over to Canada on a permanent basis, simply book an appointment at the given link here. I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. We'll have a detailed chat about your personal profile for 45 minutes to 1 hour, in which we'll discuss and do a complete assessment to see where you stand depending on the type of application that will be discussed or that will be in question. And then of course we will take it up from there. Anyways, that's it for now, and we'll come back with more updates. Thank you.